So it looks like China and the US are in a real trade war. It actually might be a really good thing for us in the trucking industry. Let me explain. As of April 10th, 2025, the trade relations between the United States and China has intensified significantly due to escalating tariffs imposed by both nations. Let me give you a summary of what has happened over the last couple of months. On February 1st, 2025, President Donald Trump signed an executive order imposing an additional 10% tariffs on all Chinese imports. On February 4th, China responded with tariffs of 15% on US coal and liquefied natural gas and a 10% on crude oil and agricultural machinery. Then on March 3rd, the US increased tariffs on Chinese goods by another 10%, bringing the total additional tariffs to 20%. China didn't sit back. On March 4th, China imposed an additional tariffs of 15% on US chicken, wheat, corn, cotton, and 10% on soybeans, pork, beef, aquatic products, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. And those taxes were effective on March 15th. On April 2nd, 2025, President Donald Trump announced a further 34% tariff on Chinese imports, resulting in a cumulative tariff rate of 54%. And again, China did not sit back. On April 4th, China announced a 34% tariff on all US imports effective on April 10th. And on April 9th, in response to China's retaliatory measures, the US raised tariffs on Chinese goods to 125%. And yet again, China did not sit back. On the same day, following the increase, China imposed retaliatory tariffs totaling 84% on US goods. How does this affect Mexico and Canada? Well, as tensions grow between the US and China, many American companies are looking for new places to build and ship their products. One country that's standing out is Mexico. Why? Well, first, Mexico is right next to the US, making it easy to move goods by road. Second, thanks to the USMCA trade agreements, it's cheaper and easier for US companies to do business with Mexico compared to countries like China. Mexico has also affordable labor, growing factories, and strong transportation networks. Industries like auto parts, electronics, appliances, and clothing are seeing new growth as companies shift production from China to Mexico. What does this mean for us in the trucking industry? With more goods being made and moved within North America, we're likely to see a big increase in cross-border freight. That means more loads coming out of Mexico and heading north into the US and Canada. For truckers, this means more jobs, more consistent freight, shorter haul times compared to overseas imports. Areas like Laredo, El Paso, and other southern US border hubs are already seeing more action and could grow even more over the next few years. In short, Mexico isn't just stepping in to fill the gap, it's becoming a major player in North America's supply chain. And truckers are going to play a key role in keeping that engine moving. And now Canada. How are we going to benefit from the trade war between China and the US? Well, Canada is also getting a boost from the US-China trade war, but in a different way. While Mexico is attracting more factories, Canada is stepping up with natural resources, energy, and technology. The US needs a reliable partner for things like critical minerals, clean energy, and high-tech parts, especially for electronic vehicles, and green energy. Canada has a lot of these resources and the infrastructures to move them. As US companies look for safer, more stable partners, Canada is becoming even more important. And it's not just about raw materials. Canadian ports, warehouses, and rail systems are seeing more action as global shipping routes shift. So what does this mean for truck drivers? With more trade moving through Canadian ports like Vancouver, Montreal, and Halifax, and more goods being stored in warehouses across Ontario, Quebec, and beyond, there's going to be a growing need for local, regional, and cross-border trucking. That means more freight, better route options, and potentially higher paying loads for Canadian drivers and US drivers who haul back north. As Canada strengthens its trade ties and builds its role in the supply chain, trucking will be one of the biggest beneficiaries. More freight moving regionally means less downtime, more miles, and more money for drivers across the board. So you guys out there in our industry, I know it's a little slow right now, but be patient, because this trade war might just be the best thing that ever happened to us in Canada, Mexico, and the US. I'm Ronan, and I'll catch you in my next video.